Hope you are fine and in good and enjoying your life. So, man is a social animal. We interact with each other in hospitals, school, colleges, but during speaking, smiling, laughing, air expelled from our mouth, and if that air is not good, the other person facing towards our face will repel from our side. We are will wear a mask because this smell is usually unbearable and unpleasant. So, what are the causes of bad breath or bad smell from our mouth? Number one, the most common cause of bad smell from mouth is white coating on our tongue surfaces. Usually, our tongue is not a flat surface. There are hills and valleys pattern, up, down, and downwards depressions are there where bacteria reside and metabolize and produce certain compounds which are called as volatile sulfur compounds, which during exhalation of air spread towards the other person and he perceived this smell very bad. Number two, our oral hygiene. If we brush quickly, like just in 30 seconds, 40 seconds, we cannot properly clean all of the surfaces of our teeth. There will be plaque remaining in certain surfaces, and plaque is basically a soft layer of bacteria. So that bacterial residual bacteria can produce bad breath from our mouth. Certain foods can produce smell from our mouth, like while we are eating garlic, onion, and we speak or laugh, the air exhaled from our mouth will be unpleasant or bad breath. Certain conditions like throat infection, stomach problem, diabetes, and also certain medications which can dry our mouth, and importantly, certain mouthwash which contain alcohol can dry our mouth, and dryness ultimate increase the perception of bad breath. So these are the important points which can lead to bad breath from our mouth. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and like this channel so that further informative video will be provided to you. So in continuation of the bad breath, how can we cure it? What are the various options that we can use to cure our bad breath? Number one is as simple: clean your tongue with toothbrush or scrapers. Special tongue scrapers are available, especially copper tongue scraper, which can easily clean our tongue surfaces and remove bacteria from our tongue. Number two, give time to your brushing. 5 minutes is the minimum time required to brush all the surfaces of our teeth. Always rinse after eating something. Commonly, rinsing after mealing is mandatory to keep your oral hygiene better. Also, you can use dental floss once a day to clean the area between your teeth. An important thing is rehydration. Keep your mouth moist because dry mouth can lead to bad breath or halitosis. Sometimes there is another cause like throat infection, stomach problem, or some other body parts are affected which can lead to bad breath. So consult your ENT specialist if there is throat infection, gastroenterologist if there is stomach problem. So also consult the specific specialty consultant to cure your problem. In addition, there are home remedies like eating something that is mint. Mint is very important. If you bite mint or clove, they produce good smell from your mouth, and you can mask the bad odor or breath from your mouth with these cheap and easy ways. But ideal, I previously described, ideal thing is tongue cleaning and teeth cleaning. Number one reason, a 90% cause of the bad breath is white tongue. The debris accumulated on your tongue is the main cause of your bad breath. If you clean your tongue properly, then no problem will produce regarding the bad breath. Hopefully, this video will give you a good information regarding your bad breath and oral hygiene. If you like to question anything, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.